You must have seen videos like this generated by Seedance 2.0. But the original version of Cedence is not publicly available, only selected creators have access to it. However, today I'm going to show you a platform that gives public access to Seedance 2.0, where you can generate VFX videos and even cinematic scenes that look like Hollywood movies. And the best part? You can generate unlimited videos using Seedance 2.0. Yes, that's absolutely true. I also created a cinematic movie trailer using Seedance 2.0, and the results are honestly amazing. So make sure you pay very close attention, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos using Seedance 2.0. So, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called ChatArt AI is your all-in-one AI platform, and they have just added Seedance 2.0, which is now publicly accessible for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. You can create high-quality videos using Seedance 2.0 directly on ChatArt AI. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, click on Try for free, and it will bring you to this dashboard. As you can see, they clearly mention that Seedance 2.0 is available for everyone, and they also provide Seedream 5.0, along with many other image and video generation features and trending templates that can help you go viral on Instagram. Right now, Seedance 2.0 is mainly available for image to video, and I'm hoping they will add text to video support very soon. So first, I'm going to generate some images. Click on text to image, then select the model. I'm choosing Seedream 5.0. After that, enter your prompt, choose the aspect ratio, select the number of images, and then click generate. And here is the result. As you can see, the quality looks incredible, almost like a frame taken directly from a Hollywood movie scene, with very cinematic lighting, sharp details, and a professional look. Now let's move to Seedance 2.0. You can either click here, or go to image to video, then select Seedance 2.0 or the fast model. You can also try other models as well, because all the video generation models are available in one place. Next, choose the first frame and last frame option. Upload your first frame image, and then upload the second image as the final frame. After that, enter your prompt. I'm using this prompt, which I created with the help of ChatGPT. Then select the video duration. You can generate videos of up to 15 seconds, but for this example, I'm selecting 10 seconds. Next, choose the aspect ratio, and then click generate. And here is the result.
Non-armor deployment complete. Combat mode engaged. Titan unit activated.
As you can see, the animation looks super smooth and cinematic, almost like a scene from a high-budget movie, with realistic motion and impressive VFX quality. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using Seedance 2.0. The possibilities are almost endless. Now let's try something even more exciting, creating a cinematic short film trailer using Seedance 2.0. This time, I'm only using a first frame image. After uploading the image, enter your prompt, select the video duration, choose the aspect ratio, and then click generate. And here is the result. As you can see, it looks like a real nuclear explosion scene from a blockbuster movie. The lighting, smoke, shockwave, and destruction effects look incredibly realistic, almost like a high-budget Hollywood disaster film. So, using all these images, I've created a cinematic film trailer. But before we watch it, it's time for a special surprise. ChatArt AI is offering a lifetime subscription where you get unlimited generations for just 1 cent. Yes, you heard that right, a lifetime subscription. You won't need to buy credits anymore. With this subscription, you get unlimited generations every month, and a lot of AI models will be available for use. You can generate unlimited images, videos, and even music every month. This means you can create unlimited videos with Seedance 2.0, plus enjoy many other amazing features. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's watch the trailer.
Targets locked. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Brace for impact. This will change everything.
Stay together! Don't look back!
Somebody help! We can't stay here!
The whole city! It's gone!
Contact! Enemy forces on the east flank. We can't hold this position, fall back. Air support needed now, repeat! Air Air support!
We cannot allow this to escalate. Authorize countermeasures.
All forces on high alert. This is World War III. Activate global defense.
All units, scramble immediately. We are under attack. Missiles inbound. Intercept now. We've got civilians to protect. Move!
Multiple cities hit simultaneously. The world is in flames. We are witnessing the greatest disaster in human history.
They're everywhere we need to hide.
Don't make a sound, they'll hear us!
Please make it stop. Someone help us!
See, the result is absolutely amazing. Every scene is perfectly detailed, and as you can see, it looks like a real movie, not AI generated. And it's all generated using Seedance 2.0 on ChatArt AI. I highly recommend you check it out so you can take full advantage of this incredible platform and start creating your own cinematic videos. And like I mentioned earlier, you can generate unlimited videos with Seedance 2.0. All you need is the lifetime plan. Trust me, your competitors have already taken advantage of this, so you don't want to be left behind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.